Hey y'all, this is Zach Smith out of Route 66 Harley-Davidson. I'm here today to talk to you about performance and comfort and style. With the rise of the king of the baggers and Harley factory racing team success, there's never been more of a demand for a true performance bagger. And today, I am here to introduce you to Route 66 Harley-Davidson's custom performance Road King Special. At first glance, you would have no idea this is a brand new 2025 Road King Special. Of course, with this fairing on the front, comes straight off of a lowrider ST, Advanblack. With aggressive stylization and extreme aerodynamics, this fairing is going to keep you cutting through the wind at those top speeds with ease. As fun as it is to hit 120 miles an hour on the highway in comfort, one of the key things about riding a motorcycle to me is hitting corners really hard. We've set this thing up perfectly to hit corners extremely aggressively. With this Advanblack cutaway gas tank, you can tuck your knees in really hard just to hit those corners a little bit harder. You got scalloped out side panels, scalloped saddlebags, gives it a really nice aggressive style. Of course, just looking the part isn't gonna get you there. You also have to have the performance on your side. So when you do want to hit those corners really hard, you're going to have the horsepower and the OM torque to speed out of those corners, even if you miss a downshift. With our 2-in-1 Bassani exhaust, HPI throttle body and intake, and a dyno tune, you're going to have more than enough power to hit those corners hard and accelerate straight out of them. So we put a full T-bar setup from Thrash & Supply Company on here. We have an 8-inch riser and 2-inch bars to give you about 10 inches of comfort. It's gonna put you a little bit higher, straighten that back up a little bit so you're not hunched over for those long trips. It's gonna keep you more comfortable on the highway. One of my favorite things about this motorcycle is the location of the gauges. We move them off of the gas tank and more eye level, right on top of the riser. So when you're on the highway, you don't have to constantly look down and try to see what speed you're going. Of course, another point of extreme comfort is going to be your seat. We went with a Harley-Davidson high-top rider seat. It's going to keep you nice and comfortable on those long rides. It's also going to help you tuck your legs into this cutaway gas tank, being as narrow as it is up in the front area. With that being said, if extreme comfort, aggressive stylization, and top-tier performance is what you're looking for, come see us out of Route 66 Harley-Davidson. Open 8:30 to 7 p.m. Monday through Saturday. See you on the road.